If you found this video, it's clear that you understood that you need to change your lifestyle. Keep watching and you'll thank me later.
Unlocking Fitness, the Bellicon Mini Trampoline for Seniors. Hello and welcome to Best Rebounder Trampoline. Today, we're diving into the world of fitness and fun with the Bellicon Mini Trampoline, specially designed for seniors. If you're looking to rejuvenate your exercise routine, you're in the right place. Let me share a quick story. Last year, I discovered the Bellicon Mini Trampoline. It wasn't just a trampoline, it was a revolution in my fitness journey. Especially designed for seniors, it offers a unique blend of safety and effectiveness. Did you know that rebounding exercises can significantly improve balance and coordination, particularly in seniors? The Bellicon Mini Trampoline makes fitness accessible and enjoyable, no matter your age. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join our Best Rebounder Trampoline family. Also, check out the link in the description to sign up for our mailing list for exclusive discounts on the best rebounders, including Bellicon. Many of you have expressed concerns about safety and joint strength. The Bellicon Mini Trampoline, with its gentle bounce and sturdy design, addresses these concerns. Plus, you can enhance safety with various add-ons, like different types of handles, to ensure a secure and comfortable workout experience. The Bellicon Mini Trampoline is not just any trampoline. Its unique design ensures stability and safety, while the adjustable tension settings cater to all fitness levels. It's about creating a healthier, more active lifestyle. In conclusion, the Bellicon Mini Trampoline for Seniors is your gateway to a healthier, more joyful life. Remember, always consult with your doctor before starting any new exercise regimen. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights and discounts on rebounders. Stay active, stay healthy, and see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link below in order to find out more.